engineers' use only. Thank you.
Right, quick how-to guide on the service cycle on a Bosch dishwasher. So to do service cycle, you want to push in, start, and intensive, and turn it on. You'll come up with P0. Quick will flash. Every time you hit quick, it will start the process for each one of these. So, for example, if we press P0 and we press start, it won't do anything on start or anything like that. We've now changed it. And then to get out of it, we need to press reset. Now we can turn it off and on again and do the same process. So turn it on, press quick there, so we get E00. I presume it's last error code, which of course there isn't any. If you hit intensive, it will actually automatically start going through an automatic stage. And bear in mind, this will do this on P0 after hitting the quick. If you get to P sort of 4 and do it from there, it will do the same thing. Some of this is automatic and some of this is manual. Oh, there you go. We're now filling with water. It will fill till the pressure switch engages on the high wash section. So the one thing I've done is I've closed the detergent flap to kind of show you what it does automatically. So believe it or not, the pump has a few different modes, a few different speeds. See, go faster. And it goes for 3 minutes. You could also advance it yourself by hitting intense 70. Again, if you open the dishwasher at any point, it does exactly like the normal dishwasher. And indeed, it did actually release the detergent dispenser, so we know it works. Now it drains. If you keep hitting the intensity button, it will just carry on and do more of the process again and again and again. Or you can just hit reset at any point, reset it out, and turn it off, and back on again, go back into normal mode. So we'll hit intensity 70, then start, and turn it on. So we've got P1 now. P1 does the same. Don't want that. Oh, hit Eco 50 by accident. There we go. P2. So P2 just lights up all your LEDs. And yeah, this actually has a broken LED on it. It's right here. When you press the LEDs, they react. P3 doesn't do anything. If you hit start, that's all it does. No, I'm not kidding. It just flashes these up. It doesn't do anything. And now it's got them flashing. But it will get out of it, don't worry about that. P4 now lights up Eco up here. That's all it does. P5. So Eco and Quick 50 are lit up now, and that's because... So the thing is, as you're going through these, you got to imagine that not all of these have this display. So, and the basic Ford machine has these 4 buttons, so it can go through it. It allows you to tell the service operator what mode it's in. And you always confirm it using Quick 45. So I don't do anything whatsoever. Again, and we've got P6, which has intensive and eco lit up this time. The Quick 45. Now P7 does, well, when it hits it, it goes to 123, and now you're stuck. Mostly. Because it just doesn't do anything. And if you hit reset, it won't reset it. Bizarre. So hit start reset. Turn it off. Turn it back on, and now you're stuck. Yeah. Hit reset. Then hit reset again. Then hit quick. And now it will run the 1 minute. So the pump's activated now. So now when we turn it back on, back out to 3 hours 45. It's a weird one, that one, because you can't select anything. It doesn't do anything whatsoever. And then finally we're going to do a quick test then. So turn it on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. So there you go, that's all of them. Yeah, the trouble is if you turn it off, it will remain in the service cycle. So you always have to hit reset to get out of it. There we go. Back to normal. So there you go. Well, how to on the service cycle. A lot of it's a bit useless, to be honest. Don't know what half of them do, because you seem to press them and you do nothing whatsoever. But you can run a full kind of quick test cycle to see if it's filling, draining, washing and releasing the different compartments correctly. Cool. I'll see you in the next vid. Don't forget to like the video below if you found this helpful. Also don't forget to comment as well again if you found this useful. And bye for now.